Potential rent in action. Here's what the seller gave us. These are the current tenants and the rents they presently pay per month. As discussed in the theory section, we can't have a vacant unit. We need to make an assumption about how much rent this unit would rent for. Let's say we did our homework here and we discovered that this unit would rent for $700 a month. And then what we're going to do is add up the total amount of potential rent per month, which is $3,300 per month, and let's multiply that number times 12 to get our annual amount, which is $39,600. Now that we have the amount, let's go put that into Excel. Here's where we left off. So down at the DCF analysis, let's create a new line called potential rent. And then in year one, let's put $39,600. So this is year one. This is what we project is going to happen for us in year one with potential rent. I didn't forecast any rent increases. I used exactly what they're receiving right now and what I think this unit would currently rent for right now. No inflation was taken into account here. I'm being conservative. As discussed in the theory video, increasing rents in year one gets tricky. Now let's forecast year two. We're going to assume a 3% rent increase, which works into about a $20 increase per unit per month. That sounds reasonable, doesn't it? To do that in Excel, what you would do is come up here to assumptions, create a new line called potential rent. For year one, we hard-coded this value down here, so we're going to skip that. And we're going to go to year two and say, increase this 2.5%. 2.5% in decimal form is 0.025. That's 2.5%. And we're going to do the same in year three. We're going to increase it from year two to year three, another 2.5%. If we think we can actually get that rent increase of another $20 or so per month per unit. These up here are called assumptions. And we're going to use this area to make changes to the things that we write in our DCF analysis. So let's forecast year two. So in Excel, to forecast the amount of potential rent we think we're going to receive in year two of the analysis, we type equals, click on the 2.5% increase, times, which is an asterisk. There's no times an X like you would normally see when you write something. It's an asterisk that reflects multiplication in Excel. And then we're going to multiply times the prior year's potential rent. But not only do we need to calculate the increase, we also need to add it to what was received last year. So we're going to do plus the prior year potential rent. So you can see we went from $39,600 to $40,590. That's like a $900 increase. And we are going to do the same thing for year three equals the percent increase times prior year's potential rent plus prior year's potential rent. Enter. There we go. Let's make it look prettier. Up here, I'm going to format this. I don't know why I'm in the View tab, but let's just go over, make sure we're in the Home tab. Click on percent. And there you can see, now that is formatted to look like percents. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to make this look like dollars. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to click on English, US dollars. And I don't like seeing all those decimal places. I'm going to decrease the number of decimals. Great job, we're done. But the process of writing an assumption up here and incorporating that into our analysis down here is a process we're going to repeat multiple times throughout this course. Great job.